Trump administration accused of defying court orders. Legal storm brewing. The Trump administration is facing mounting legal challenges as a federal judge accuses them of defying court orders. Recently, a judge ruled that federal funds must be restored after the administration failed to comply with a directive. This has sparked growing concerns about the Trump administration's commitment to following judicial mandates. Concerns over defying court rulings. A growing number of voices are questioning whether the Trump administration is truly committed to upholding the rule of law. The court system, designed to ensure laws are followed, plays a critical role in holding government actions accountable. But when an administration chooses not to comply, it raises serious questions about the balance of power. Congress speaks out. A majority of Congress members have made their stance clear. Defying court rulings is not acceptable. Some senators have voiced their disbelief at the idea that the executive branch might disregard the courts. Historically, the judiciary has frequently had to counter executive actions, maintaining the integrity of governmental checks and balances. The risk of a constitutional crisis. This isn't the first time the administration has been accused of ignoring judicial rulings. In fact, the situation parallels past instances of presidential defiance, like President Nixon's refusal to comply with the Supreme Court subpoena. As tensions rise, experts warn that a continued lack of compliance could lead to a constitutional crisis, with significant consequences for the judicial system's ability to enforce its rulings. Is executive power being redefined? Legal scholars are beginning to raise alarms about the potential long-term consequences of these actions. Some suggest that this kind of defiance could lead to a redefinition of presidential power, one that could make it more difficult for courts to do their jobs effectively. With ongoing legal disputes and a fractured relationship between the White House and the judiciary, this may be just the beginning of a larger constitutional battle. Stay tuned as this story develops and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.